Simplify this parentheses minus that parentheses minus that parentheses. Well, when you have nothing in front of the parentheses, you don't need it. So this is negative 10mn cubed minus 4n to the fourth. When you have a negative in front of parentheses, you distribute the negative. So everything inside the parentheses gets its sign flipped. So plus 2n to the fourth plus 7mn cubed plus 6n to the third. Same thing happens here. Distribute the negative. Minus 5n cubed minus 6mn to the third. All right. In no particular order, let's just start out with the mn to the thirds. So there's a negative 10mn to the third, a positive 7mn to the third, and a negative 6mn to the third. When you have like terms, add up the coefficients, but keep the variables the way they are. Negative 10 plus 7 is negative 3. Negative 3 minus 6 is negative 9. So negative 9 mn to the third. Now we got negative 4n to the fourth. We got positive 2n to the fourth, and nothing else like those. So negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, and n to the fourth comes along for the ride. These guys are also next to each other. So negative 6n cubed, regular 6n cubed, minus 5n cubed is just plus 1, or invisible 1, n cubed. And that's our guy.